So looking at a resistance band alternating seated row, what we're gonna do is take our band here, doubled over. We're gonna sit down on the ground and run it around the bottoms of our feet. So that's running just along the arches of our feet. You're gonna grab those handles, or the loops, right? Grab the loops, keeping your chest up, right? Legs straight, chest up, nice strong position. We're just gonna do one arm at a time, pulling that band nice and smooth, not too fast, just really thinking about pulling the shoulders back with each row as we, pull our shoulder blade back, squeeze the shoulder blades together, and push that chest up as we're pulling. If you want to make that a little more challenging, you can run your hands through the loops like that and grab, and that's just going to add a little more resistance, a little more tightness to the band as you are pulling it, right? So main thing, keeping your chest up. You don't want to be here like this, and you also don't want to be pulling back with your upper body. You want to be just pulling, isolating that row with each arm, okay? So that would be a resistance band alternating row.